Y'all already know what time it is. I used to do dedicated videos to these every single month, and then I kind of like fell off, but we are back, baby, because we have the brand new Ipsy Ultimate box right here. I think this is the May edition, but if you guys want to see what this box contains, is it actually worth it? Well, then definitely keep watching. Alrighty, so I think this is the Ipsy Ultimate. I could be wrong, but I think it's the Ipsy Ultimate. This comes, I think, every quarter. And so when this arrived, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to unbox this. I actually had the pink bag, but I recently showed it in a PR unboxing that I posted last week. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check out that video. I'll have a link down below. But I was so excited to get this because I love the Ipsy Ultimate because this reminds me of the Icon box I used to do. And the Icon box was iconic. It was fantastic. And then they switched it over to this. Why they keep switching, I don't entirely know. But if you guys did not know, Ipsy did acquire BoxyCharm a long time ago. And I used to do monthly Ipsy and BoxyCharm battle the boxes. And I kind of missed that series. It was so much fun. So I'm excited to dive in here. I have no idea what's in this box. They never tell me what's in this box. So I just kind of get surprised just along with you guys. Now I'm going to go online and see how much this box retails for. I think it's like 60 something bucks last I checked. I have an affiliate link that I can link down below in case you guys do want to sign up for Ipsy, but let me see how much this is worth. So it says the Ipsy Ultimate, formerly known as the Icon Box and the Glam Box X, is a quarterly $65 upgrade for Ipsy subscribers, offering 8 full-size celebrity curated beauty products worth up to $400. It drops in February, May, August, and November. Ooh. Alrighty, let's see what we have in this month's box. So let's see. This is the summer collection. Bum, bum, bum. She's pretty. She's really pretty. They have a crossword. Spot 5. These 5 coveted brands may be showing up in your Ipsy Ultimate collection. Can you spot them? Ooh, there's a crossword. I do love a good crossword puzzle. Not gonna lie. Let's see. Can I find any brands in here? Oh, you don't have any that stands out right away. Okay. I'll look at that later. Okay, cool. Well, this is, I think, some of the items that you can see featured in here and possibly in here as well. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. So the first thing we have is actually from Murad. This is going to be the Environmental Shield Super Active Moisture SPF Brightening. Ooh, I really do love Murad. My favorite line from them is actually the retinol line. The retinol line is just so fantastic. I tell them that every time I do actually talk to them. I gotta actually reach out to them. I absolutely love the Murad retinol line. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So now I get a chance to try, I guess, their sunscreen. I've never tried their sunscreen before, but I'm kind of curious to see how this would work. You guys know I'm not the biggest fan of sunscreen under makeup, so I would definitely try this with like out makeup, but I do think this is really exciting to try. Alrighty, up next we have... Ooh, this is Dermalactives. This is a resurfacing honey and charcoal mask. You know, we've gotten a product like this before from this brand in an Ipsy Icon box, so I don't know if they have prices. The Murad retails for $55. Oh my gosh, wow. That's all I can see. They don't have any other prices in here besides that, so I don't know what this cost. I'm gonna look this up because I remember the other one was like $100-something, and there's just no way. Let's find out. Let's find out together, besties. Okay, it's kind of all over the place because on Poshmark it retails for $125, but on eCosmetics it retails for $59.25, and then on Rue La La it retails for $65.99. So it says typically prices between $75 to $90. But like, there's also Dermalactives one that says it retails for $590. Ain't no freaking way. It must be like a special like the thing. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no way. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. Mine first off doesn't even look like that, so why would anyone pay that much money for a product like that? That's insane. Well, at least I can show you guys that this is found a lot cheaper in other websites besides their own website, because you could find it literally retailing for different prices. So I don't know. But then there's another one that says $236 on their website too. So it just retails anywhere between like $70 to $90. But that's kind of cool. I don't really know what this does. It just is a charcoal and resurfacing honey mask. I'll definitely have to try that. Okay, so up next we got something from Kors. This is going to be the Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. This is the Apothecary Wild Rose. Oh god, this is going to smell like rose because I'm not a big fan of rose smelling products. Let's see how the charcoal mask smells. Smells like clay. Smells like clay. Not the biggest fan of that. What does the core smell like? It looks really pretty though. Ooh, that's a nice scent. Okay. That smells like roses. That's definitely got some on my nose. That smells a little bit like roses, but it's like not really heavily scented in rose. It just smells kind of like a clean rose, if that makes any sense. It's really pretty. I don't know what this is supposed to do though. It's a sleeping mask. An overnight facial in a jar. The weightless souffle texture instantly melts into the skin for an intense hydration and brightening effect. Wake up to petal soft, glowing skin. Ooh, that's exciting. That is exciting. I think I did see this one on here. This one retails for $55. Awesome. All right, cool. Alrighty, so up next we have a Sealy. This is going to be a dual-ended blush. This will be from Sealy. This is a dual-ended blush brush. So it's going to look like so. I actually like these style brushes because I can use it for blush, I can use it for highlight, I can use it for bronzer, I can use it for finishing powder. So I think this is kind of nice, and I've seen this brand a lot inside Sephora, so that's actually really exciting. Alrighty, up next we have what? We have YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. Oh my god, we have it in the shade called 2 Healthy Glow Plumper. What? I've never seen like this product in here before. Oh my god, I think I might have this. I definitely think I have this. So because I do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a giveaway. But this is really cool. I really like the fact that they're actually implementing YSL products in here. Like I said, I've never seen YSL featured in a Ipsy Icon box before, or Ipsy Ultimate box before. Sorry, they keep changing the name on me, but that's actually really cool. Okay, wait, I think I saw the price on this one too. $43. Nice. All right, up next we have something from Ilia. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara. Ooh, this is in the shade called After Midnight. I'm always down to try a new mascara, and seeing as how I'm in the middle of testing out their sunscreen, I'm definitely going to have to try out this mascara. Looks legit. Looks like it's going to be kind of painful though. You see how sharp that looks? Oof. That might stab me in the eye, but we're definitely going to have to try that out. That's exciting. Awesome. I'm getting kind of worried that they were only putting skincare in here. I was like, oh no, this is a box of all skincare. Okay, so up next we have something from Makeup by Mario. What? This is going to be the Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream in the shade called Naked Spice. What? I did not know that Makeup by Mario would be in here. Oh my gosh, what? I've never tried this product from Makeup by Mario before. That is such a stunning color too. Oh my god, that is absolutely a beautiful color. Wow. Wow, Ipsy, holy crap, y'all are stepping up your game. What is happening? Wow, that's really good. Okay, last but not least, we have this big old box right here. And this is from Natasha Denona. Ooh. And in here we have the Natasha Denona My Dream palette from Natasha Denona. I just literally said that. I actually own this palette, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into a giveaway. But it is a really pretty palette. It is a pretty palette. It's not my favorite. I even said that when I did my review of this years ago when this came out. It is pretty, just not my favorite palette, but I think it's really awesome that there actually is a full-size Natasha Denona palette in here. Even though it might be on the older side, it's still really pretty, especially for those who may not have had a chance to try out anything from Natasha Denona. This would be a perfect way to do so. So I'm excited. That's really freaking awesome. And I'm so excited to go ahead and put this into a giveaway. But overall, this box did contain 8 different items. We have 4 makeup products, all products you can find at Sephora, and then we have 4 skincare products. So for me, I think this is a wonderful balance. You guys know that I was always much like back in the day when I reviewed this religiously, I was very much like I love makeup over skincare, but now I'm getting older. I also really do love skincare. So I think it's great that they're doing an equal balance. 4 products that are going to be skincare and 4 products that are going to be makeup. So that is absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. This is a wonderful, wonderful box. So right as I was sitting down to edit this video, look what showed up. This is the May edition of the Ipsy Glam Bag. So let me show you guys what you're gonna get. So this is the bag right here. I will say it's actually super cute. It does come with this like checkered brush from a brand I think called Shining Glam. I don't know. never heard of it, but I will say the brush is cute. No lie, when I first saw this, I 1000% thought this was a Sol de Janeiro body lotion, but it's actually from Kinsey. This is a Sorbet Blossom Rich and Ultra Cream like body butter. Legit, I thought this was a Sol de Janeiro product. Actually an Ace Beauté highlighter in here. This is called like Drama Beam. I will say this is really pretty. Like, look at that high shine. That's really pretty. And sorry this video looks awkward. Like I said, I was literally sitting down to edit when this popped up. So yeah, this is just gonna randomly be thrown into this video. Looks like we have a Bella Pierre. This will be a volumizing waterproof black mascara. I have to check this out. And finally, there is a Smashbox Pore Vanishing Primer. I've never heard of this primer before. I haven't tried it, so I am kind of curious about this, but that's what we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag. This one was okay, but I think the star of the show was definitely the Icon box. Oh my God, wow. And like I said, these are products you can literally find pretty much at Sephora, so that's awesome, Ipsy. You guys did a fantastic job. Thank you guys so much for sending this my way. I will definitely have my link down below in case you guys do want to check them out. I think you have to be an Ipsy member to get the box, although I feel like you should be able just to buy it regardless. But I think you do have to be an Ipsy member to get the Ultimate box. I know this is like a monthly subscription, and then you guys can opt in to get the Ultimate every quarter and it would replace like your actual bag that you're getting. So that's really cool. Ipsy, thank you so much for sending this my way. I think this was a fantastic box and I cannot wait to see what you guys, and I cannot wait to see what you curate in August. So with that said, besties, that is it for today's video. If you guys still like me doing these videos, please let me know in the comments below. But don't forget to give this video a cheeky thumbs up because it really does help to support my channel. And if you guys want, please consider subscribing. It is completely free and you guys can unsubscribe anytime. And I also want to give a huge shout out to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members. Thank you guys so freaking much. And to you guys, the viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. If you guys like this video, you thumb down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I do love each and every single one of you. So with that said, besties, I love you and I'll see you guys in my very next video.